to fix eafc25, the season pass service is currently unavailable problem. So if you want to fix this issue, then what you need to do is first you need to check your EA server status. Visit the EA server status page to ensure there are no ongoing issues with the server affecting season pass functionality. The second fix is to restart your console and the game. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller and select Restart Console option. Now choose Restart to confirm and close the eafc25 completely and restart your Xbox and relaunch the game. And it might fix your issue. If that still doesn't fix your issue, then the third fix is to update the eafc25. So on your home screen, you need to press the menu button on your controller. After that, select the Manage Game and Add-on, and then check for updates and install any available updates. Next fix is to clear cache and saved data. So turn off your Xbox and unplug it from the power source and wait for 10 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Now you can go to your Xbox settings and then tap on the system and then on your storage and clear your saved data for eafc25 from both of your console and the cloud. And the last fix is to uninstall and reinstall your eafc again, and your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.